Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. I make videos about tech stuff. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, share as well, and comment too if my videos are interesting or educative. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you or sharing with you how you can copy your files or your data from your iPhone to your Windows 10 computer. At this moment, I'm using Windows 10, so I'll be showing you how you can use Windows 10 and your iPhone to back up data from your iPhone. I went on their website. I downloaded an app called Device. So below here on my taskbar, I have an icon here called Device. So I'll double click on it. So this is it. At the moment, showing me that I have to connect my iPhone to the computer. Okay, let me connect it. So you see, I've connected my iPhone to my computer. So now it's rolling, it's getting the information from my iPhone so that it could display it here. As you can see, this is the internal storage of my iPhone. So if I want to copy files from my iPhone to my computer, that is Windows 10 computer, I'll double click here. You can see when I double click, these are the folders found on my iPhone. It is the year and then the month. See, 2022 05, that is May. This is 2024 May, 2024 July, and August. So these are the folders. So if I want to copy files from my iPhone to my Windows 10 computer, let's say I want to copy files from the folder called 2022 May 05. I'll double click, then it will open. So these are the files found in this folder. Okay, let's see. Copy. I'll select, then I'll copy, then I'll go wherever I want to keep these files on my computer. Let's say I want to keep them on my G drive. I'll click G drive, then it will open up. Then I will right click in this hard drive, then I'll paste. So as you can see, it has pasted these two files from my iPhone. Alright. So let's try another one. Let's say I want to copy files from 2024 06 folder. I'll double click to open, so I see two files here. Then I'll select the file, that's the image file. Then I'll right click, then I'll copy. Then I'll go back where I wanna store this image file. Let's say local disk G. Okay, then I'll select here, then I'll right click and I'll paste. So if you don't know how to copy and paste, I have videos on my website, on my channel as well, so you can check on my channel as well about that. So that's how you can copy files from your iPhone to your computer, that is Windows 10. That's what I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.